Hey yo fam, I'm back with another great video for you guys. So if you're new to this channel, remember to subscribe, and if you are a returning subscriber, I appreciate you for coming back. And also remember to like, comment and share as you always do. So after this video, anything you don't understand or you need some more explanation on it, so you can just drop a comment. So in this video I'll be showing you how you can download Facebook videos from Facebook directly to your phone file manager. So it's very simple thing to do. So for you to learn, just follow me along. And if you're using your phone or your laptop or whatever you're using, it's still the same step you will use. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to go to your Facebook. So I'll go to my Facebook on my laptop here. So I'll show you. So here am I on Facebook. Then you click on Facebook Watch or wherever the video is. Okay, so I will go to a particular video and we want to download. Okay, here it is. I love this comedy, so I want to download this comedy. So what you need to do is to come here and this button here. So if you are using your phone, also these three dots here, so you click on the dot to copy the video link. That's all you need. And when you click on it, you see it here. Okay, copy link. So it's the same step if you're using your phone or whatever you're using. So you just click on copy link to copy the video link, and as you can see, link copied. So after that, that's all you need to do on the Facebook. So just search for whatever video you want to download. If it's a comedy video or whatever, any video, just copy the video link as I have done here. And yeah, so you leave Facebook. Okay, the next thing you do is go to Google and search for Save from Next. So it's a very good website I use to download videos. I'll make a video on it also, how to download YouTube videos from YouTube directly to your phone. So you click on the first one here and Save from Net. So I'll drop the link in the description of this video. So when the website opens, so we are now on their website. So when you come here, it's still one for you to Facebook. So I'll just come here and click on Facebook. The video I want to download is a Facebook video. Okay, here we are. Then as you can see here, so Facebook video downloader. So the link you copy, just paste it here. You can see the Facebook link. So to show you the preview of the video you want to download, and you click on download. So this is it here. Then you click on download to download the file or the video. So as you can see here, it's downloading already. So if you love this video and you want more amazing videos, I advise you to subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed. And if you know of anyone that might need this video, so just forward the video link to the person. And if you haven't joined my Telegram channel, please make sure you do so. The link is in the description of this video. Okay, since our download is completed, so this is it here. So I'll go to the folder to confirm that it's downloaded, and this is it here. So I'll play the file, the movie. So that's all.
You forget to respect.